Hello, welcome to Sai Root channel. Today I am going to make vangibath masala powder. So let's dry roast few ingredients. First, heat a pan. Into this I am going to add 3 to 4 inches of cinnamon, 3 to 4 cardamom and 6 to 7 cloves. Then I dry roast these spices on low flame until I get a nice aroma. Now I am getting nice aroma. So I am removing this from the heat. Next I am adding 1 tablespoon of black pepper and dry roast it for a few seconds. Then adding half a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds and a quarter cup of cumin seeds. Then I dry roast them on low flame until I get a nice aroma. It's done. I am getting nice aroma. Now switch off the stove and add 1 tablespoon of poppy seeds. Dry roast it. Pan it is enough for dry roasting this. It's done. Now I remove it from the pan. Here I am adding urad dal to the pan. This is about 1 cup or 2 fistful. Dry roast the urad dal on medium flame until change its color to slightly brownish. Now it's been done. So I am going to transfer this urad dal to the plate. To the same pan I am adding chana dal. It's about 1 cup or 2 fistful. Dry roast the chana dal on medium heat until change its color to golden brown. I have used the same cup or a single cup to measure the ingredients. It's done. Chana dal is well roasted. Now it gets transferred to the plate. Next I am adding coriander seeds. This is about 1 cup or 2 fistful. I am dry roasting this coriander seeds on low heat until I get a nice aroma. It's roasted nicely. Now I am going to transfer this roasted coriander seeds to a plate. Here I have taken 20 to 25 dry red chillies and adding it to the pan. Then adding a quarter teaspoon of cooking oil and let it to roast on low heat. Roast this properly until it turns crisp. Please friends, please support me by subscribing my YouTube channel. It's done. Immediately I transfer it to a plate. Here I put well roasted all ingredients in a plate together to get cool. In this I am adding a teaspoon of turmeric powder and also a teaspoon of salt. Now this plate contains all the ingredients needed to make vangibath masala powder. Now I mix all the ingredients together. Make sure all the ingredients are cooled completely. Now I am going to make powder from it. You can see here vangibath masala powder is now ready. Next I will make vangibath from this just prepared powder.